Guys, this is the girl Pamela, and as you guys know, if you didn't know, I graduated. Well, esthetician now. You guys know I left the hair field alone, and I decided to do another venture. Um, that's all my stuff. So I want to come on here right quick. And talk to y'all. I just press it to do brows. Now, everybody, every esthetician, every brow artist, every person that does brows has their own way of doing brows. I'm going to show you a really nice way to do brows, the professional way. Number one, as you can see, oof, they roofed out. You also want to make sure, number one, you do a consultation, make sure they're not allergic to anything you may use on their brows. Have they had any surgeries within the eye area? Because you may have to apply pressure or make the skin taut. You want to make sure all of that. They don't have any cataracts that are causing them or blood vessels that are popping in their eyes because you may need to reschedule them simply because when you're doing brows without waxing, you need a little bit more tension. So that's one thing. Give me a minute, guys. Sorry, guys. And I just okay, anyway, so I can't find it right now, which I just had it, guys. And don't so first of all, you want to make sure you prep the brows, number one. These are alcohol prep pads. You can use whatever you choose. So you want to make sure you cleanse the entire area as I'm doing in a sweeping motion. See how I'm cleaning the area? You want to make sure, and then you can see that that's what's on there. Then you want to go back and do it again. You want to make sure you get all the areas because you want to make sure that you have a clean brow. They're individual, so I can do more than one. And as you can see, if I need to use another one, I can. Add this into the cost of you doing your brows. And then you're gonna go in a sweeping motion to make sure you get anything from each because of course you would have to cleanse or treat whatever you're gonna do. Then if you want, you can just go over. Oh, it fell. So as you guys can see, voila. Now I usually have a brow brush, which really has ticked me off because I can't find it. So I'm going to use this mascara one, which I'm gonna clean off. And then I'm going to go in. First, you would go in and measure from eye to eye where their brows actually start, there where you can see. And then you're going to do center and then in. Okay. So I'm just going to brush them out really good. I'm going to brush across so you guys can see. And you're going to get a good brush all the way out to there. Did you guys see what I did? I brushed all the way out to there. Now, normally, if you're going with somebody that has a full brow, that has never had their brows done, then you want to make sure you put the points. And that's the first thing you do is one, two, three. And that three is going to go from top to bottom, top to bottom. Got it? Now, you can start with your little scissors. Make sure they're disinfected, sanitized, barbicide. Same thing. These need are disposable. They're the cheaper version. So, because some people, like I said, do not like waxing. So this is how I start. You see how I brushed them out? So we're just gonna go in. And we're always, most people start like this. So you're not going to start like this. You're going to go in and you're just going to gently, and as you see, I didn't get really close. Or you can lay the scissors flat and it'll allow you to go in a little bit more. And as you watch my hand, okay, now I go back in. You're gonna, so I can show you guys. the difference. Ta-da! You guys see that? I was able to get what I needed. Then you're going to start from the inner corner to the out corner always. And you always want to place your finger where you can get the most tautness but not cause them any damage. And you want to do a gentle sweep. And you guys see how I'm gently doing this? And as you can see, let me show you guys. You can wipe the hair off. You guys see that? How I did the tautness? So it starts giving the eyebrow a shape. So then you're going to start with the middle because most people want their brows a little bit thinner in the middle. Some don't. You have to show them the shape after you do the first. And you never want to be too heavy-handed because it's hair and it will grow back. But at the same time, nobody wants to have to fill in their brows when they come to you for a service. As you guys can see. Ta-da. Right? Brows look pretty good, don't they? I say so. So we're gonna go in and you can see the difference from both brows. That is why I left it like that. So you guys can see. And we're just gonna comb it out again. So you can see. And as you can see the brightness under this brow. So now you want to apply your tautness here. And you want to take the hair off in a manner as in which the hair grows. For me, I do it this way, but you don't have to. I do it that way so I can see. But you're usually supposed to do it the way the hair grows, okay? So if you do it the way the hair grows, your finger goes here. Usually it's your pointer finger, and you can see exactly what you need to do. And then you can go in and you can go in and shape the eyebrows, as you guys can see. And after you're done, you can literally see the difference in brows. And that's with just the basic technique. Now, speaking of here, you guys see that little shallowness? You never want to take that off because that's the beginning of the brow. You just want to go in, again, pointy finger, tautness, and you just want to clean it up a little bit. And you'll be able to see where you've cleaned up. And I'll show you guys. That's the inner hair. Perfect brow. Look at that, guys. And then, as you guys can see, the other brow is still. So we're going to go back in. We're going to brush it out because you always have to brush it out after each time. And if your client wants to see, she can see, but I want you guys to see the difference of the brow. Then if you need to clean it up, again, it's pointed finger, tautness, and you're going to bring it down because they may see extra hair. So you're gently bringing it down and you're going to do like an etching motion. And I'll show you why. Same thing, tautness, pull down, and you're going to bring it down. And that is a perfect brow. So if someone does not wear any coloration in their brows or anything else, you can definitely give them this. You see how much it opened up my eye? Just that simple cleaning up of the brow. Sometimes because you do have people that believe in natural beauty. They want their brows cleaned up, but they don't want them. And as you guys can see, if there's anything left, you can always take your small scissors, lay them flat, pointed finger, then go around. There you go. And that, and you guys can see, you see the arch. You can literally follow it with your finger. If you have a little bit more hair than usual, let me see if I can. You can brush it out in the area like you know they're going to do their brows, of course. You can bring it out. Now, some people are going to have sparse brows. You need to show them that as you're taking off the hair. So if they have sparse brows like I do in this area, they need to see before you finish because They would say, oh, she did my eyebrows, she took this much hair off, and you didn't. Their brows were already sparse in that area. But what you can do is take your apply tension, hold it taut, and you could do a downward motion. See how I'm gently doing it? And I'll show you why. And you can always go back over it, but nowhere near it. And you can pointy finger, middle, pointy finger, taut, and you can give them a little bit more thickness. It's not really gonna, and you see how you need to show them everything. And you see how I pulled it taut? Look at the difference, guys. This brow, you can see the arch versus this brow. It definitely opens up your eyes. You even got your little fade out. So they really can fill in the back part. Let me see if I have a pencil that I can show you guys what I mean by fill in the back part. And you can just simple upward, outward strokes. If this pencil let me do it, I kill all pencils, guys. That one. Let's see. Maybe I can find another one. Let's see this one. Oh my gosh, I have nothing to show you guys. How about I just use a little bit of mascara? Simple, simple outward strokes. Simple, simple outward strokes. Simple, simple outward strokes. And if they used a pencil, this would be perfect. I like my brows out a little farther, but I'm just giving you guys an idea. Look at the difference. If they were using a pencil, this is mascara, but I'm just giving you guys an example of look at the difference. Night and day. Hope you guys enjoyed.